Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you had a great Thanksgiving yesterday, or at least a great Thursday. I just wanted to get on here real quick to let you know the great company Johnnie Ray, which is a beard product and grooming company, they have a Black Friday deal going on where they have marked down the entire site 20% off, and my affiliate discount code DANC10 does stack on top of that, so essentially giving you guys 30% off. Site markdown 20%, use DANC10 on top for another 10%. There's only a couple of exceptions, things like samples and apparel and kits where it's just not possible for them to mark that down. And that's not even it. This is an exclusive for this channel with this code. If you spend over $75 after the discount, before tax, right, actually spend that money with Johnnie Ray, they don't get anything for taxes or any of that type of stuff. You get free shipping, number one, and number two, a full-size 2024 exclusive Black Friday mystery oil. Now, you do need to use code DANC10 to be able to get that, but again, already 20% off, an additional 10% off, and if you spend $75, free shipping and a full-size kind of exclusive collectors. It will never be back again. 2024 Black Friday mystery oil. Go give it a shot, you guys. And if you guys are noticing the decor, I am here in Florida, and I didn't plan on making this video like this today. I did have plans to review a new scent called Frankenmuth. More details to come, and a Christmas sample oil kit with all exclusive oils. However, life happens, right? There were some delays with things like labels, and they're just not fully ready yet. However, Nate and Hannah, the owners of Johnnie Ray, wanted to make sure that you guys didn't feel left out. And if you were hoping to grab these things, because they've talked about it on social media and their email list, make sure you guys go give them a follow and sign up on those things. They wanted to make sure if you were waiting for Black Friday deals and wanted to grab those new things, they didn't want to leave you out. So I'm pretty sure, I'm almost positive, they have opened up the website for pre-orders. You can go check out the scent profiles, check out the price, the details, and all that type of stuff. I will have a full in-studio, you know, my style review over Frankenmuth and over the Christmas sample oil kit. That's gonna drop on December 7th. I believe it's a Saturday, but December 7th, I'm gonna do a full video. But in case you're like, I love this company, they never steer me wrong, and I wanna save some money, go check it out. You can hop on that pre-order if you guys would like. Other than that, that's about all I have right now, you guys. Amazing deals. I'll put all the details in the description, a link in the description. And again, I hope everybody had some great time this week with people they enjoy, eating some food that they love. Maybe you watch some sports, maybe you relax a little bit. Really enjoy life, you guys. Dancy Bearded. If you didn't, please give me a quick thumbs up on the video if this was helpful. If it wasn't, don't worry about it. You don't need to. And if you have a question, a comment, an experience, anything down below about Johnnie Ray, about anything, guys, it's open to you. Thank you for watching today. Dancy Bearded. Please stay bearded and stay positive.